Hey there, Mike again with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Claim adjuster, public adjuster. Public adjuster, claim adjuster. What's the difference? Aren't they the same? In the industry, and unfortunately, there hasn't been a lot of education on this. So let's make something very, very clear. Right now, right here, moving forward. A public adjuster is not a claim adjuster. A claim adjuster is not a public adjuster. So what's the difference? Let's get into it. Public adjuster is not a claim adjuster. Claim adjuster is not a public adjuster. So a public adjuster was created years and years and years ago because there was this notion that people in general didn't have anybody that would represent them for their claims. So the insurance company had their insurance trained employees / claim adjusters, and the homeowner really only had one option. They had to do it themselves. And years and years and years ago, attorneys really didn't handle too many property damage claims. It wasn't lucrative for them. They'd take a few here or there, and then as property damages started to add up, you had a little bit more attorneys get involved, but then people started complaining the high fees involved with hiring attorneys. So then the public adjuster was created. Public adjusters do one thing. They represent one body, they represent one thing, and they can't do anything else. So they only represent the property owner, okay? Only the property owner and or the insured. Sometimes they can be the same body or person or company, and sometimes they're different. So you may have, for instance, a small strip mall, and the person who rents out a store, they're the property owner, but they're not the insured on the policy. And you can't argue, well, they're not really the property owner because they lease it, but for just the sake of argument, we're just going to say that they are the property owner. So a claim adjuster can only work for the insurance company. That's all they can do. Now you have an independent adjuster. So independent adjuster versus public adjuster, what's the difference? Independent adjuster cannot represent the property owner or the insured. Only the public adjuster. The independent adjuster does one thing, basically two things. They will either represent the insurance company, okay, or they will do some work for an attorney to take a look at a claim. But they cannot represent you, the property owner. Only the public adjuster can. So those are the major differences. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Give me a call. I can help with any property damage claim, and I can help with questions like this. But it is somewhat confusing because you have three different individuals: public adjuster, claims adjuster, independent adjuster. Claim adjuster, independent adjuster, they're on that side. Public adjuster, on your side. So it's pretty clear now, hopefully, because the industry doesn't do a good job. You can Google it, but sometimes it's confusing. I know, trust me, because a lot of people have questions about it. So hopefully this little video helped, and appreciate you watching it. Thank you.